Hi dear students, let's see this question that came in JEE Advanced paper 1 physics in the year 2021. One of the easiest question of whole paper. All the students who were writing JEE Advanced would have been simply thrilled seeing this question because I guess there would be no one in India who would have gotten this wrong. So let's see what's happening over here. By the way, this was single choice correct question. That means if you got this right, you get +3. If you get this wrong, you get -1. But as I said, hardly there would be anyone, a sincere candidate who would have gotten this question wrong, right? So let's see what's happening over here. Basically, there's a cyclic process shown for a gas. This is a 4-step process, as you can see. We have to choose those processes or those steps rather in which gas is absorbing the heat. So it's very obvious that answer will be 1 and 4. That means option C. Let's just quickly discuss how. So if you look at process 1 or step 1 rather, step 1. So it's a isobaric expansion. That means if you write Q1, so it will be NCP delta T. Now we already know that Cp is positive, N is positive. Delta T will be positive because if you increase the volume keeping pressure constant, then temperature will increase by the logic of PV equals to nRT. Hence, we can say that Q1 will be positive, right? For process 2, if you see carefully, so again, it's isochorically pressure is brought down. So if you talk about Q2, you can use NCB delta T, and delta T will be negative because volume is constant and pressure is going down. So if volume is constant, pressure is going down, so we can say temperature will go down and hence delta T will be negative. So we can say that Q2 will be less than 0, right? Q1 was positive. If we talk about Q3, so again it's an isobaric compression. So again you can use this formula and Cp delta T for this, but delta T will be negative. So if delta T is negative, so we can say that again why delta T will be negative, because pressure is constant and volume is coming down, volume is decreasing. So again using P equals to nRT, we can see that temperature is going down. So again Q3 will be negative, and Q4 same logic. Isochorically you are increasing the pressure and hence NCV delta T. So delta T is positive in this case because volume is constant, pressure increases. That means temperature must increase. So again Q4 will be greater than 0. So 1 and 4 will be the correct answer for this question. As you can see, there would be no one in my opinion who would have gotten this wrong. Just kidding, but this was very easy question. That's it. Thank you.